back to our YouTube channel, SMO Unlocked Step-by-Step Solutions. And I am teacher Anna from Kangaroo Study. Today we are talking about calculation skills. And you can see this question is also from our 2025 Kangaroo Cup Math Calculation Competition. Now let's see our question together. Here we have a bracket from 1/2 plus 1/3 onto all the way plus 1/40. And the second bracket is 2/3 plus 2/4 all the way to 2/40. And third bracket is 3/4, 5, 6 until 40. And all the way add up to 39/40. As we normally will do is we calculate bracket by bracket. Then let's see. The first bracket, we have the different denominator. So in order to add them together, we need to find the common denominator. But to find the common denominator is too complicated. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 40. The numbers might be too big. But let's observe carefully. Is there any fractions that have the same denominator that can be added up directly here? First, we have 1/3. And we also have 2/3 here. Then we have 1/4. And we have 2/4 and 3/4 here. So let's regroup every fraction when they have the same denominator. So our question can be changed into 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 2/3. And plus 1/4 plus 2/4 plus 3/4 until 1/40 plus 39/40. Now let's calculate. The first is 1/2. The second bracket is easily 1. Then the third bracket is very good. 6/4 equals to 3/2. Then for the last bracket, let's see, is 1 plus 2 plus 3 until plus 39/40. Then how to calculate something like this? For the number like this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 until 39. We learn a formula in the primary level is to add the first term and the last term together and divided how many terms and divided by 2. Then why we have this formula? Let's see. In order to add them together, we want to make some pairs. So 1, we plus 39. 2, we plus 38. Then 37, 36, 37, all the way to plus 1. So for every pair, the first equals to 40. Then the second is also equals to 40. Every pair is 40. But what? Let's see. Because 1 to 2 is plus 1. From 39 to 38 is minus 1. Their difference is always 1. So every pair is 40. So I use 1 plus 39 to represent every pair. So how many pairs we have here? 39 pairs. But we all add every number 2 times. We need to divide it by 2. So we can times 39 divided by 2. So it's equals to 40 times 39/2. That is equals to 780. Now let's have a small summarize for the difference is 1. We want to calculate all the number add up together. For example, if we have a number of n from 1 plus 2 on to plus 2n, we want to know the sum of everything add together. So we can use 1 plus this number n and times n and divide it by 2. So our 1 plus 2 plus 3 until 39/40 is 780/40. That simplifies as 39/2. Really good. Then our question here is written as 1/2 plus 1 plus 3/2 plus 2 and all the way to 39/2. Now let's see. We want to know the sum of all these numbers, but sometimes it's a whole number, sometimes it's a fraction, and the denominator is 2. Now let's see. It's 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 3 over 2. Can we change our whole number here into fractions and have the denominator of 2? Yes, we can. So 1 is 2 over 2. 2 is 4 over 2. 3 is 6 over 2. And 90 is 38 over 2. So our question can be rewritten as 1 over 2 plus 2 over 2 all the way to 39 over 2. Since they have the same denominator 2, so we can add the denominator together. It's also 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus until 39. Now, just as we calculated, this number equals to 780. So, we equals to 780 divided by 2. That can be simplified as 390. Very good. So, this is our right answer. Now, let's summarize a bit for our question here. When we have this complicated calculation, we group them by the same denominator, and this method is called grouping method. And then we will have the difference is 1. We want to add every number together. We know we only need to add the 1 and the number n, and times n divided by 2. Very good. So let's have a small practice. Like here, you can take your time to do the question. Once you get the answer, you can leave it at our comment, or you can talk to other students in our study group as 1 and study group as 2. Or you can just directly send to teacher Anna. And you can also contact us for secondary math guidance and free material. And please do subscribe to our channel for more learning and information videos. For last video's practice, the answer is, very good, 1 over 2024. Don't worry if you get a different number. You can always discuss with teacher Anna and all the other students in our study group. So please do subscribe our channel, and I will see you in the next video.